at the top in red are the two due assignments that are due. They're from Friday and then yesterday. Now it's not due because I didn't give you I didn't give you a bunch of time to do the assignment, so you couldn't do the due yesterday. But today you'll have time to finish yesterday's 2.1 assignment, right? Right? You'll have time to finish your 2.1 assignment, right? Okay. So if you didn't learn this yesterday, if you weren't here yesterday in the back, or if you forgot how to do this, everybody focus, please. So if I have three equations, I'm going to start with the easiest one. Which one has one variable? The one on the top, right? X equals 2. So let me start with my first x equals 2. If I can write, here we go. X equals 2. Now, there's nothing to solve. It's already x equals 2. That's it. That's great. Now, which equation has two variables? Yeah, the middle one. So negative 2x minus y equals negative 5. So again, the one with one variable, you solve it, or it's already solved. Then you plug that into the one with two variables, okay? So x equals 2 is going to go right where I see x right here. So negative 2 parentheses 2 minus y equals negative 5. Okay? All right. Now, what do I do first to simplify this? Okay, the negative 2 and the 2, those can multiply. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Bring down negative y equals negative 5. Now, what do I do next to get y by itself? Get rid of that loner. Yeah, plus 4. Plus 4. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. Now, this is where it can be kind of tricky. What do I bring down? Negative y, because the negative sign goes with the y, right? Now, last step. Hey, okay. How do I get rid of a negative sign in front of y? It is a negative 1 coefficient, so I'm going to divide by negative 1 on both sides. And what's negative 1 divided by negative 1? 1. Straight up 1. Positive 1. Okay? So I had my one variable. It was already solved. You may have to solve it, but you get that 1, plug it in to the 2, get your second one, and now we're going to do the third one with 3 variables. So I'm going to write it, the third equation is x minus 2y plus z equals negative 4. Now, the x equals 2 can go right there, and the y equals 1 can go right there. I'm just substituting, right? Okay, now, instead of x, I'm going to put a 2, minus 2, instead of y, I'm going to put a 1, plus z equals negative 4. PEMDAS parentheses, so that the negative 2 times 1 gives me what? Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Bring down the 2 in front, bring down the plus z equals negative 4. Ooh. Now, let's simplify. The 2 and the minus 2 give me what? These give me 0. Now, you could write 0, or you just know that they cancel out. 2 minus 2 is nothing. You don't have to write 0 plus. I mean, it's nothing. So I just bring down z equals negative 4. That's it. I don't have to do any dividing because there's nothing in front of z, right? All right, so we have x, we got y, we got z. Please make sure you put it in alphabetical order. So x first, what is it? 2, what's y? 1, what's z? In this case, they were in order from left to right, but please be careful, okay? Make sure you put X, Y, Z. You'll see that on your review today. So if you don't get to the review and you know what you're doing, don't sweat it. But it would be important to do this review because it's just like the quiz tomorrow, okay? I just switched up some numbers. Now, again, if you look at where I'm pointing, the key for this review is on the wall and it's in the Google Classroom. I don't know where to point. Where is that? It's in the air, okay? So the Google Classroom has the review, it has the key, and it has a video of me going over the review. You can use that, okay? I don't mind if you take a picture of the answers because I posted them on Google Classroom in the stream. So please, I'm going to pass it out to you, but before you do this, make sure you finish those two assignments, System of Equation Substitution from Friday and 2.1 System of Equation Substitution from yesterday. Okay, so again, finish those two, then you can work on this. If you don't get to it, it would be smart to look at it tonight. You could spend 10 minutes looking at this with the video from Google Classroom. That would be wise. Okay, but if you do finish it, hold on to it and bring it tomorrow. Okay, so again, I'm giving you time to finish your assignments, right? Right? Giving you time to finish your assignments and review. Okay, here we go. Especially if you weren't here, you want to know how to do this, okay? If you want to check your work in the calculator, okay? Let's say you're at a brand new document, calculator. Right? You press menu 3, 2. It's kind of like NSolve menu 3, 1, but it's menu 3, 2. So you press menu 3, 2 for you. And here's the deal. Since we have 3 equations, you have to make sure you click up to get to the third equation. And you'll see it says X, Y, Z. Can you type 3 equations into your calculator to get your answer? Okay, let's try it real quick. X equals 2, negative 2x minus y equals negative 5. X minus 2y plus z equals negative 4. So check it out real quick. What? Real quick. So 2, 1, negative 4. Isn't that what I got right here? It is, okay? So make sure if you need to check your answers, you can use menu 3, 2, okay?